Good thing it wasn't mine. It says Kez, something Kodama. Black light. It says Kez, Waya Kodama. Kenzuya Kodama-kun. Isopropyl alcohol. Alright, it's gone. Namco uses reverse tabs. Growth changes based on zodiac sign and blood type. Action RPG. Most people entered their own info. Some grew fast, others grew slow. It felt unfair. Turns out it was Valkyrie's info. Opening it. Simple. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
This area is completely filled in, only the weak parts. Why are these left open? Dust and moisture build up in the holes that can cause rust when you insert and move the cartridge. This area becomes less rigid. Flux. Zombie body fluid. Finish the flavor with Z's tears. Now it's smooth. Prevent this from happening. Ultraviolet light, off you go. Curing. Magic liquid. Extends the life of the terminals. $1986. Slows plastic degradation. Let me know if you have requests.
Perfect body.